my wonderful champions. I hope my dear children are doing really great. So you have been asking about the dress code for long, and I already told you that once the official update is out, I will be here with that particular video. So here it goes. The official update is out on KA's website, and you can also check it out by yourself. You just have to go to KA's website, go to admissions and click on UGCET 2026. There you will find the notification regarding the dress code as well as the things that you need to carry and things that you should not be, right? So you can check out by yourself, but I have made things a bit simple for you because I'll be talking more about it over here itself, so you can watch this video instead, yeah, if you need to. So special note for children who are specially abled and who use hearing aids or cochlear implants, please make sure that you report 2 hours before the examination. Now this reporting 2 hours before the examination is actually applicable for all according to the instructions that have been given along with your admit card. But for all these children who are specially abled, you also need to carry your UD ID card, that is unique disability ID card, your medical certificate as well. So a separate screening will be conducted for you, and you would be allowed to write with these particular devices as well. Okay, so make sure you do your reporting on time and get the screening done. Wishing you the best for that. Now the next thing that is there about the dress code, the guidelines which is there. So this is a picture that is given in the PDF out there, and I'll be explaining it to you with the help of this particular picture as well. That is simple and comfortable clothing is allowed. You are not allowed to use long sleeve dress, whether it's a shirt which looks like this or probably a kurta or a top which is full sleeve. You cannot be using that in the examination hall. You should be wearing something like this which is having half sleeves, okay? So you can wear a shirt, or probably you can wear a kurta with half sleeves, or probably a top with half sleeves, or a t-shirt with half sleeves, but not something like this which is having full sleeves. I hope that is understood. Okay, so do not wear that and go. Simple clothes would be enough for you to carry on with. Okay, the next thing, head covering. The restrictions are that do not wear clothing that covers your ears, your head, or your face. So something like this is not allowed. Obviously something that makes your $100,000 worth face visible, that would be much better. So ears, head and face, everything should be clearly visible. Now for religious attires, okay, candidates wearing religious attires must report 2 hours before exam. So if at all you are someone who wears pada, or you have your own attire out there binding to your religion, make sure you report 2 hours there before the exam commences. Why? Because there will be separate screening for you, and you would be only allowed to write the examination after this particular verification. So it's not like you're not allowed to wear, you can wear it, but you have to report 2 hours prior itself. So make sure you do that to avoid the last minute panic. For everyone else, please make sure do not cover any of these things mentioned over here. Yes, I hope that is understandable. Yeah, the next thing, jewelry rules, strictly limited. No jewelry or metal items allowed. So you are not supposed to carry any jewelry. So you might have some gold earrings or stuff like that, whatever is there, you are not supposed to carry it, whether it's chain, whatever is there. There's an exception, and an exception is for Mangal Sutra. For people who are married and who is wearing Mangal Sutra, they can wear it. But apart from that, any other gold jewelry is not allowed, whether it be earrings, whether it be chain, or whether it be rings, or as I said, in the things that you need to carry and not, obviously these things are not allowed. Okay, so make sure you do not carry it as well. Yes, so that is there. Next thing, the footwear guidelines. What to wear? You are allowed to wear slippers, you are allowed to wear low-heeled sandals. Okay, low-heeled sandals or slippers which are open. You are not allowed to wear shoes, because shoes are mostly closed, and there have been a lot of things that have taken place before, where children use chits and put it in the shoes and things like that, which is why they highly recommend you to wear something like this which is quite open. So these pictures are there in the PDF itself, so make sure you wear a normal slipper out there. That would be more than enough. Yes, and obviously it's too hot in there, so definitely it could be giving you some amount of air, right? So that is something that you need to take care of. I hope that works. So these are the things that I had to tell you about the dress code. If you have any other confusions, please put it down in the comment section. And I hope that this video had helped you. If it did, do not forget to hit the subscribe button as well. By the way, I had made a separate video on things to carry, and also I had made a video on OMR sheet, how you need to fill it up properly, and also about the bell timings. Make sure you go through all of these videos such that last minute panic can be actually avoided in all senses. And also one more very important thing, I highly recommend you to start off early to the examination center. Again, you cannot predict the traffic, you cannot predict the weather, nothing. So make sure you are there before time. Not on time, before time. Yes, so that is all what I wanted to tell you. And there is COMEDK 10 crash course that we have launched. Anyone who is interested for the crash course, make sure you check out the video and have an understanding by itself. So there's a separate video on COMEDK 10 crash course and what will be provided. There has been a live that has been taken. Apart from that, if you want to go and check in the website, you can do so. And these were the previous year rank holders out there. So we wish you the best for whatever examination you're going to give. And if at all you need any help, as I said, go check it out in the description section about this particular crash course. So that's all, and thank you so much. Wishing you the best. Bye-bye.